older build that I was doing at John Deere 111 where I was restoring it. I like this lawnmower. It's a neat looking little lawnmower. It's small, and I think it'll be a fun toy. What I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to be doing the strip down, the wiring, pulling all the wiring out. I don't need it. I don't need the deck lever lowering thing. I don't need the clutch, the gas, or the clutch or the brake on here. And I don't need the rear axle or the fuel tank. So all that's going to be coming off in this video. I am going to be ordering parts for it. The parts I'm going to order, this rear end here is, I think, 38 inches or something like that, and 38 inches wide. I'm actually going to be ordering a 40-inch rear end, go-kart or drift cart rear end, and placing that on here. And I have a motor I'm going to be using. It's a 6.5 horse Arbor Freight or Predator engine, I guess you can say. It's an old school one, but runs good. And I'll be ordering the clutch for that. And hopefully I won't have to order any jack shafts or anything like that, but if I do, I do. But anyways, follow along on this build, and I'll take you through the steps of how I'm going to be doing it. This is my first time ever building anything like this. I've never done it before. I'm learning about it as I go, and that's going to be the same for you guys. If you have any feedback about it, go ahead and comment below about it. And yeah, so here we are. I'll cut back in here in a few minutes when I start taking it apart. So here we are, we're back. I stripped some of the wiring out right here, got all this cleaned out. I might have to power wash this whole thing. But anyways, what I plan on doing is the engine is going to sit. I'm going to buy a go-kart engine mount plate. I'm going to weld it in there, and that way it's solid. I won't have to drill any holes. And I can mount to that plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this steel here and back here, and the chain is going to run through here. It'll run underneath, but it'll run through here. Now keep in mind, this is just a rough idea. I may change that, but it's going to run through there, and it'll go through here. I'll have to cut a hole back here in the floor or the body for it to go to the rear sprocket. So that's the plan right now. And then obviously I'll have to get a gas pedal and all that stuff. Gas pedal and brake pedal. I might keep the brake pedal that's on here and just use it if I can find a way to wire it up to the cable. So anyways, stay tuned, and I'll be right back after I get some more information. So I'm just doing some mocking up of things here, and I had to do some removal to make it where the hood would shut on it, which it shuts now. And I'm going to have to get rid of this muffler because it's going to be too close to the fiberglass for one, because everything's metal except for the hood. So, which just ain't a big deal. I can put another exhaust on it, bring it out. I was going to do that anyhow. Bring it out to down here or something like that. I think this is pretty much where the engine's going to set at. It may be a little off right now, but I'm gonna. I think that'll work just fine. And then I can, depending on where the chain, the clutch sets at, because like I said, I got to take this pulley off, and which ain't no big deal, it'll come off. I think the chain, from the looks of it, the chain will set right here actually. So I may not have to cut anything off. This might work as like a chain guard in a sense. And then the only cutting I will have to do will be back here. And then I'm going to have to build a chain guard. My leg's going to be over the top of that, and I don't want to hurt myself. So turn it here so you can see. But anyways, yeah, the chain will be back going through here, and this will kind of help. And then I can build a plate that'll just cover a little bit of it. I want it to be removable, so I'll make it where it removes. And then it'll come back here, and same here, it'll be a removable plate. And I'll have to cut a hole out right here for the chain to go through, and that'll go down to the sprocket. Now that's the plan. So anyways, yeah, so that's the deal on this part here. I'm just mocking up things today, kind of trying to figure out what needs to be done. And it'll be a couple weeks before I can order my parts. So I'll do a little bit at a time and eventually upload this. So yeah. Alright, so here we're back. It's been about a month now. I wasn't able to order my parts right now because I've had some bad things happen in this month. My best friend just recently passed away, so I've been dealing with that and haven't really felt like making any videos other than the one of my thermostat job on my car. But what I'm going to be doing tonight is I'm going to be taking the rear axle out, and anything underneath that don't need to be there is coming out, pulleys, stuff like that, and getting it ready for the new axle that will be on its way soon. So hang tight and we'll be right back. Alright, so here we are again. I got the wheels off. These spindles right here, I can take them off. I'm pretty sure, I'm hoping I can take them off. And there's a little C-clip on it, so I'm pretty sure I can. I'm going to take these off. I'm going to hold on to these spindles, because if I can keep from having to order spindles for this project, I'm going to. And I'll just make sure I get the same axle size. So anyways, I will get to working on this, and I will show you the end result of this. Alright, so here we are, we're back again. This spindle here is rusted on pretty good, and I'm going to have to take heat to it, which has to wait till tomorrow or next day whenever I'm available. It'll probably be Sunday, to be honest. Anyways, and the rear end, I got 4 of the bolts loose, but it has bolts up in here that I need to get off. And to do that, it's going to take an extra hand, which I don't have right now because it's late night. So we'll have to come back to all that. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there for now. I will cut back here in another week, or within the week. You should be seeing a part 2 to this. Anyways, if you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like button. It helps get my videos out there. And also, there's going to be links down in the description for check out this guy's YouTube channel called Grinding Garage, and also his Instagram will be located down there in the description as well. He does some pretty cool stuff. I like his channel. Go and subscribe, like, comment his channel. And anyways, with that said, also my Facebook group will be in the description below. You can click that link, join the group. It has more up-to-date information on what's going on. Also, my Patreon will be in the description as well. If you guys feel like you want to donate to help my channel out, there will be the place to do it at, and you'll get to see a lot of things on there that you don't see on the YouTube channel. I'm getting better at posting on there, so. And then also my Instagram, it'll be down there as well. And anyways, yeah. So that is it, and I will see you in part 2 of the deer drift, I think is what I called it. One of those things, the name could be subject to change. But anyhow, thanks for watching.